Do you want to download music from YouTube as an MP3 file but don't know how to do it? In this video, I will show you how to do it step by step in a simple way. Watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you open YouTube website and log into your account. Go to the left side, scroll down, and go to YouTube Studio here. Here, scroll down and go to Audio Library. Here, look for the song that you want to download. And to download it, you're going to go here and click on Download. As you can see, it's downloaded here. And this is how you can download music from YouTube as an MP3 file. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.